Did you know that 33% of Americans have hypertension and most don't even know it? That's right. You could be one of them and not even know it. And this is bad because hypertension can lead to heart attacks, kidney failure, stroke, and even death. So today I'm going to show you a simple trick to help lower your blood pressure. And if you do this consistently, it can actually help you avoid all of those health issues that I just mentioned. And the crazy thing is, this little trick only involves eating one food, and it's very easy to do. Ready? Here we go. Now before I reveal the one food that you need to eat every single day to help lower your blood pressure, let me explain why this is such an important topic. See, when it comes to hypertension, the old ways of thinking involve taking multiple medications with lots of side effects. But what if there was something that you could do that had no side effects, and it helped you live a longer, healthier life? Well, there is, and it's right here in front of you. And now I want to talk about exactly how this works because it's quite fascinating. It all starts with a special kind of sugar found in beets called nitrates. Nitrates are converted by the body into nitric oxide, which is a molecule that helps to relax and widen the blood vessels. When the blood vessels are more relaxed, the blood can flow through them more easily, which lowers blood pressure. And on top of that, nitrates also improve the efficiency of the small blood vessels, which allows oxygen and nutrients to get into your cells more easily. And guess what? This gives you more energy too. In fact, athletes who consume beetroot juice for a week have improved athletic performance with increased endurance, strength, and power. And this is due to the increased oxygen delivery that happens because of the nitrates. Pretty amazing, huh? But wait, there's more. Beets are also rich in antioxidants, which protect the body from free radicals that can damage the blood vessels. They're also high in potassium, which helps balance out the effects of sodium and lowers blood pressure. Plus, beets are a good source of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that adding beets to your diet can make a world of difference when it comes to managing blood pressure. So now that you know all the benefits of nitrates and how they can help you, I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to increase the nitrates in your body. And you won't believe how easy it is. Are you ready? Here it is. Now, the easiest way to get more nitrates into your body is to start drinking a glass of beetroot juice every single day. And I know this might sound weird, but trust me, it's worth a shot. The key is to find a high-quality beetroot juice that doesn't have any added sugars or preservatives. Just drink one glass a day, and you'll be on your way to a healthier heart and lower blood pressure. But you may be wondering, how long will it take to see results? Well, some studies have shown that consuming just 500 milliliters of beetroot juice per day for 4 weeks can lead to a significant reduction in blood pressure. And the best part is, you can do this along with your regular medication. Or you can even use this trick instead of medication if you prefer. But always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your medication. And if you're looking for an easy way to add more beets to your diet, try this simple trick. Just drink one glass of beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Beets are versatile and can be used in many delicious recipes. So get creative and have fun with it. You can roast them, grill them, puree them, or even pickle them. There are endless possibilities. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this? How did it work for you? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so I can keep you updated with all my health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.